So we've got about a minute left to the non-farm payroll release is done. As you can see, previous month was 162k, consensus for this month is 180k. If that happens, or if it's higher than last month, then that's bullish for the dollar. So what we're going to do, we're going to go on to the dollar Swiss, and I'd expect to see a rise. So what we'll do, we'll cover this live, and we'll just see what happens for a little bit of fun, if anything, just to give you guys a small insight on a basic level into the action around the non-farm payroll. So at the moment we're just literally just waiting. Apparently it's a minute away, the announcement is. Guys, we're getting there. So remember, we're looking at the dollar Swiss, and we're expecting the dollar to strengthen if figures match the consensus, which means we'd expect to see this pair rise potentially. Guys, half a minute to go. Remember, it's the non-farm payroll specifically we're interested in, or if you trade the Canadian, obviously the Canadian net change in employment. Okay, 7 seconds to go. Okay, so let's just go back and see what happened with the non-farm payroll. Still waiting for the figures to come up on that. However, the unemployment rate was better than expected, so that's positive for the dollar. Unfortunately, though, the non-farm payroll, it was actually, the number was a lot lower than expected. So worse than expected result. It could be bearish for the dollar. So let's see what happens. And as you can see, it's bearish. The thing's dropping. Okay. So just to go over that, what we said is if the dollar non-farm payroll was a good figure, i.e. around a consensus higher than last month, we'd go up on the dollar Swiss. If it was worse, we'd go down. Okay. It was worse, so we go to our chart, and as you can see, it's dropping very fast indeed. We've already dropped by about 50 pips, literally within about 30 seconds. So that's just a small insight into how to read the non-farm payroll. I thought I'd give a live example rather than just showing you guys in theory, and hopefully that makes a little bit of sense of how volatile things can be when there's a non-farm payroll announcement. So that's it for now, guys. Any questions, feel free to get back to me in a room. I'll pause the recording there, and that'll be live in the archives if you want to follow along again and re-check out the live action.